Hello everyone, and welcome to Safety Shorts. Today we're going to talk about a practical approach to kickstart or begin your journey to create a culture of safety and continuous improvement. As we all know, safety in healthcare delivery is crucial. The high-risk areas, as noted by the Joint Commission and other entities, are related to medication management, surgeries, and infection control and prevention. Now, there's a ton of tools out there and methods and techniques that we all have heard and use, but for some reason a lot of organizations still struggle and patients are still being harmed each year in unacceptably high numbers. Now, as an industry, we probably understand that culture is the key to having and maintaining a safe environment. So the next couple of slides are some experiential insights that you might consider to jumpstart your cultural transformation. So starting small is important, and starting small is a strategy that I've seen be successful and sustainable over time. Now let's look at three lean tools/methods to help build an organic grassroots movement for safety culture. First thing, get to the Gemba. Gemba is a Japanese word used in lean that means the place where things are happening. Now, leaders and managers need to stay up on what's actually occurring at the front line and in operational spaces. This type of rounding also enhances trust through visibility. Now, the next method is called waste walk. And all of us that work in lean understand that there are 8 wastes associated with lean, and understanding where they are will help managers remove them and be real facilitators for their people. In addition, understanding waste in processes can inform decisions that sometimes cause or exacerbate them over time. And lastly, a focus on mistake proofing. Poka-yoke is a term, also a Japanese term that means mistake proofing. We see it all around us in different areas, but these 3 methods are really important to give us a foundation for our staff to begin to change over time. Now, this approach and is really top down and bottom up. So executives can choose to participate in Gemba walks, maybe no less than bi-monthly. Really stay out there and see what's going on. And this minimizes any filters around what's really going on and allows them to be authentically informed. Now, at the mid-level, leaders that participate in weekly waste walks of their areas can be enablers of greater productivity through removal of wasteful policies and processes. And also they can hear feedback more directly from their staff. And lastly, but most importantly, for the front line, these individuals who are providing the care to our patients that they so desperately need, they can focus on making and keeping the environment safe for patients. This all builds an improvement environment, a safety culture through visibility and trust. Some of the things I've seen related to benefits of starting small are, when you slowly change habits, they tend to be more sustainable. And also you avoid that flavor of the month type thing that happens when you come out with a big splash of a change. Also, it strengthens ties between leaders as well as staff at the front line, and lets the staff know that the leaders really care about what they're doing, what they're experiencing on a daily basis. And we already talked about leadership being informed and in an unfiltered way. Staff also feel supported, and they can make an experiment with change in their areas because they made the change. Now, Poka-yoke, one of the other benefits to it is it's relatively easy to train, and it encourages people to think outside the box to make their area safer. Leaders can also create a reward system for this type of innovation, and this also keeps the frontline vigilant to safety and as well as the connection to the mid-level. Thank you for taking time to listen to this brief presentation. I hope that some of my experiences will help you kick off or revitalize your safety culture plans.